So we just came back from our activities. We saw a big lake, which is stunning. We saw some trails. We saw the ski lift, which is a definite do. Even in the summer, there's a lot of activities, especially in the winter though. But we're back at our cabin. It's about 4 p.m. We're actually really tired. We are gonna just enjoy this beautiful area right here in front of us. We're gonna make some coffee right now. We're gonna grill up some Bosnian cevapi right here that we brought from Phoenix with us. We usually get the cevapi or the Bosnian sausages at a Bosnian restaurant or a Bosnian store in Phoenix. We're gonna grill those up. Time to relax and just chill for a bit. But before we make the cevapi, here's a quick overview of the history of today's most popular food of the Balkans. Cevapi is a grilled dish of minced meat found traditionally in the countries of Southeast Europe, an area known as the Balkans. It is considered a national dish of Bosnia and Herzegovina and is also common in Serbia, Croatia, Kosovo, Albania, Montenegro, North Macedonia, and Slovenia. Cevapi has its origins in the Balkans during the Ottoman period and represents a regional specialty similar to the kofti kebab. They are usually served in groups of 5 to 10 pieces on a plate or in a flatbread called a lepina or somun, often with chopped onions, sour cream, relish, and salt. Bosnian cevapi are made from 2 types of minced beef meat, hand-mixed and formed in a funnel, while formed cevapi are then grilled. Serbian cevapcici are made of beef, lamb, pork, or a mixture. During the Ottoman administration, rebels called Haiduks made the Haidučki cevap, which was easy to make, made out of pieces of meat and smoked lard on a skewer roasted over fire. The recipe of the Leskovački cevap, a local specialty of Serbia, was based on traditional pljeskavica or a meat patty formed as a cevap. In Belgrade, cevapcici first came from Leskovac in the 1860s into the kafana Rajić at the Great Marketplace, today known as Studentski Trg, from where they quickly spread across the city, subsequently the country. The industry quickly multiplied as cevapcici was the drinking public's favorite. Also, cevapi were often bought for breakfast. Before the 1930s, they spread to the rest of Yugoslavia, including east of Serbia and the Macedonia region. By 1932, cevapcici were regarded a local specialty in southern Serbia, Skopje and Peć. In 1933, the first street food vendor appeared in Maribor, Slovenia, who came from Leskovac, and served grilled meat, including cevapcici. In 1940, 10 pieces cost 1 Yugoslav dinar. In the second half of the 20th century, cevapcici and other oriental dishes entered the Croatian cuisine. And now, let's get back to making this delicious dish in the forests of Arizona, USA. Alright, so now we're going to make one of the most famous and popular Bosnian food, which is the cevapi, which is basically grilled sausages, grilled Bosnian sausages. We're going to throw them in some lepina or some bread. We're going to sprinkle some onions on top, some sour cream on the side, and this is one of the most popular foods in Bosnia. Alright, the cevapi are ready. So you can either put the sour cream inside or you can have it on the side. It's based on your preference, but how you eat this bad boy, you gotta rip it, get some bread in there, dunk it into the sour cream. Look at that. That's amazing. Some smoked beef, dip that into sour cream.
Restaurant last night?
So we do a lot of smoked beef in Bosnia. This can either be a side to your main dishes, or most of the time it's meze, or something that you eat on the side when you're drinking. Like maybe at a bar you would eat, like almonds or nuts as you're drinking beer in Bosnia. When you drink rakia, moonshine, brandy, or when you drink beer, you gotta have some smoked beef. It goes really good with any meal. And then these are little sausages as well that I'm pretty sure these are smoked. So we're here at Cevapi Cuatro, right in Bashcharcia, right next to the Semi. We're here. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna grab some breakfast. It's 11:30 right now. It's 11:30, so we kind of slept in today. Got some rest. But we're here to drink some Turkish coffee, have some cevapi. So here they actually serve their cevapi outside the actual bread. So I guess we just gotta stick it in. And then this is the doner kebab, and I'm pretty sure that's lamb inside. No, what's inside here? That looks good, actually.
Dip it even more.
There you go. That's how you eat cevapi right there.
So to finish off our day, we head down into Srebrenik to get some food. We stop by the Cuatro restaurant, and it's known for its unique way of serving cevapi or Bosnian sausages, and I loved it.
So we found this little small restaurant here in Srebrenik, and it's called Restaurant Cuatro, and they have a special way of making Bosnian cevapi. So they do the bread like this, and then underneath the cevapi, underneath the Bosnian sausages, is homemade sour cream, and then on top they put aged smoked cheese. And this cheese it smells great. This is their own specialty. I've never seen cevapi made like this. It looks very delicious, actually. Look at that. Hell yeah. This lepina looks amazing, man. Look at that. We got some Croatian style cevapcici, right? Šta je to na njima?
Look.
Look, with some onions. Nice. So while we're sitting here and eating my amazing lamb, the owner just brought out the most famous food of Bosnia, what Bosnian cuisine is known for, and that is the cevapi. So it's right here. So all of this is homemade. These cevapi right here are these little small sausages. This is all homemade here, along with the homemade ayvar, which is red pepper, some garlic inside, and some eggplant. But this right here is what's the most popular food in Bosnia. So this is a homemade bread with an opening inside. They cut it, and then they put these sausages, which is ground meat. This is like ground beef. Just the way it smells, this is just amazing. Oh my god. I always eat this, so that's why I wanted to do something differently. But this right here is, you can never go wrong. This is probably one of my top 10 favorite foods in the world. Right here. I think it's always gonna be.